a pretty quiet stretch of weather despite the cloudy skies that we've had over the last couple of weeks. Those clouds building back in from the west after yesterday's sunshine. Hopefully you were able to get outside and enjoy it. As we widen out the view, though, you can see a few spotty showers showing up over southern portions of Minnesota, northern Iowa. This is showing up on radar, at least, as a bit of a light wintry mix. Wouldn't be surprised if that is indeed the case. However, a lot of this likely isn't actually reaching the ground. If it is, it could make its way into places like central and southern Wisconsin by later on today, avoiding us to the north. What we will see, though, is that cloud cover. The clouds are going to be sticking around quite a lot through today. Here we are at 11 o'clock. See that we've got a few blips showing up on radar here, but overall we do stay dry through much of your Wednesday. It's Thursday that bears watching here as we get into Thursday afternoon, especially. Here we are 2 o'clock. Notice that we've got a very thin band of rain snow mix, and then all snow behind that as temperatures come crashing down. Now, the rate of this snow does also play a factor in what exactly we see falling from the sky. If we're seeing very heavy precipitation, it could start as rain with temperatures generally in the upper 30s tomorrow afternoon, but quickly transition to some snow as that colder air gets pulled down to the surface. But regardless, by 3 o'clock, I think a lot of us tomorrow afternoon are going to be seeing that snow. It's a quick burst here of that snow between 2 and 4, wrapping up by the 4 o'clock hour, but scattered snow showers will be sticking around, and then round 2 likely as we get into Friday. Not so much for the morning commute. I think the morning commute will look okay in terms of active precipitation falling from the sky. Keep in mind roads are likely to be dicey. However, Friday afternoon into Friday evening, really even into early Saturday, we could see those snow showers redevelop, and several inches of snow are possible. Now, we're looking at 5 different models here. Notice that most of these 5 models show less than 2 inches of snow. There's one outlier here. This one tends to have a little bit more of a moisture bias to it, meaning that it tends to overdo precipitation. So overall, though, notice that what we're putting here for snowfall totals, generally about an inch here between now and Friday evening at 6 o'clock. Keep in mind, we could pick up another half an inch or an inch given the chance for more snow showers overnight Friday into early Saturday. So overall, I think 1 to 2 inches for most of us here in northern Illinois. But it doesn't take a lot to cause some issues. A trace to 2 inches of snow, 80% of overall traffic accidents during the winter months. 2 inches or more only causes 20% of those accidents. So generally less than an inch or 2 of snow can cause some bigger issues on those roads. Patchy fog today, more clouds, visibility not an issue, at least right now in the Rockford area or really anywhere in northern Illinois. Temperatures in the upper 30s both today, tomorrow falling as we get into the weekend, mid-20s by Sunday. Let's take a look at your most accurate 10-day forecast. You know, I keep looking at this 10-day forecast thinking, you know, maybe there's going to be a really cold blast showing up on the tail end of this. I'm just not seeing it all the way through much of really what's left of January. Temperatures staying at, if not slightly below average.